Wow! One root word means all of this.
Amazing, isn't it? This is the beauty of Arabic language. You can express so much through a single word.
Oh boy, I'm so excited to take my second lesson of the Qur'an. I had so much fun learning about Bismillah. Check the link above if you have not watched the first episode. Let us open our Qur'an and find out what it has in store for us today. Here we go.
Assalamu alaikum Noor. Welcome back.
Walaikum assalam HIDAIA. I am so excited to see you.
Are you ready for your next adventure as a Quran explorer?
Of course. Let's go.
Say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Okay. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Fasten your seatbelts, Noor. We are about to enter the wonderful world of Quran.
Wow. This is amazing.
Isn't it? Let's see what we should be learning today. Here we are, Ar Rahman Ar Rahim. The second part of Bismillah.
Aren't these also the names of Allah?
Yes, Noor. These are two of the attributive names of Allah. An attributive name means that it shows a characteristic of someone, while Allah is the specific unique name for the Almighty. Now roughly translating, Ar Rahman Ar Rahim mean, the most compassionate, most merciful. Now, if we remove the al from these names we get the common names. Al, by the way, has the same meaning as the word the in English.
Oh, I see. But I didn't understand the words Ar Rahman and Ar Rahim properly. Why do they appear similar to me?
They appear similar to you because both of these have the same root word. Ra-ha-mim. Let's go explore it. Ra-ha-mim basically means the womb of the mother, signifying the unconditional and pure love a mother has for her child. So in extension, Ram means to love someone, being kind to them, forgive them, bless them, protect them, and guide them towards the right path.
Wow! One root word means all of this.
Amazing, isn't it? This is the beauty of Arabic language. You can express so much with only one word.
Yes, that is super amazing. But if Rahman and Rahim have the same root word, then why are they used separately?
To understand this, we need to understand what is a wazn. Let's talk to it.
Hello Noor. I am a was.
Oh hi. How are you? And, what are you?
Literally, I mean, oh wait. I am like a machine or a mold. When a root word is put inside me, I change its structure by adding one or two letters. In this way, the meaning of a root word are modified too.
Can you explain it a bit more?
Yes, of course. In fact, let me demonstrate how I work. For example, if I take the form of full-on, I will convert Ra-ha-mim into Rahman.
In this form, the word has a meaning of exaggeration. That is to say that Rahman is someone who is gracious to the extreme.
Similarly, if I take the form of fa'il, I will convert Ra-ha-mim into Rahim.
In this form, the word means that someone is continuously, constantly kind to others. That is to say that Allah is not merciful one day and blesses you with life and the other day, He forgets you or abandons you. No, He is always there to take care of you and everything He does is a form of mercy.
Wow, that was amazing knowledge. Thank you so much, Wazn.
Anytime, Noor.
That is the end of today's lesson. Shall we go back to your room, Noor?
Ahan. Let's go share this with everyone else. I learned a lot today, did you too? Let me know in the comments box. And don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.